Hi guys, my name is Mr. Z. You watching Mr. Hackz YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we're going to learn how to trace a mobile number exact location. So guys, before going to that, make sure that you visit my YouTube channel and subscribe this my YouTube channel. I made a bunch of videos regarding the Facebook hacking and installing of Kali Linux and so many. And so that please visit a time at a time. So guys, we go into this video. Before going to this video, make sure you have a default browser. Open the default browser. My browser is a Chrome. So guys, here grabify IP logger link. It's a website. Go to this website. So guys, you can see this website is loading down. Seeing this, make sure you have open another tab. I type Suti Hassan. Here you can see. Actually, we're going to add our video link in the image so that whenever our victims watch our pics, we get an IP exact location. So that I copy the location, image location in Google. You can see here I copied it, and again visit to our location, our website grabify.link, and paste it here and create a URL. So guys, asking for verify, select the image with the taxis. So guys, I've been selecting and verify. It's been verified. You have to create an account or register an account here. I already registered, so it goes down, and here you can copy this link. It gives a link, exact link. Here you can copy, open another tab, paste here. So guys, when pasting here, you just have to check okay, our image is coming, so that we go into our website and refresh it once. We've been refreshing. So guys, here you can see that country and user is loading. So guys, here you can see this is my IP address, and here's my country, and Mozilla, and I was actually using Redmi 5A. So guys, you can see here actually my IP address and India news. So guys, here in this video I explain about how to do this, and actually selecting a Srihasan pic, you can select anything you want and anything like, and also you can create a custom URL here. So guys, this is only for checking purpose, and make sure that you copy a link that and open a WhatsApp, and here my friend's name Tarun. I just sent him here this link. So let us suppose be Tarun is our victim. When he opens this link again, we can get an actual ID, IP address of this link, and actual and country address, so exact location. For thanks guys for watching this video till the end. This is Mr. Z signing off.